What's going on, guys? So what I will be doing today is, apparently my windows don't work. Not sure why. I think it's because rain fell. Well, this one does, but the other ones don't work. As you can see, I'm pushing the button and nothing's going down. The locks don't even work. Just the driver's side front works. That's the only one that works. And I believe it's because one day I had the window just like that and it started to rain and water got all over here. It wasn't too much, it was just like a little drizzle. I did dry it up, but apparently right after that day none of the windows, the three other windows did not work. So I am going to replace the power window switch because I did try to clean it, and the motherboard and the switch, I took it out. And I just ordered the part and it's here. This is the new one. Looks exactly the same. And we're gonna go and replace it. So in case before you actually get the switch, you might want to actually try just to dry the circuit board out. So I'll just show you this as well, because this is what I tried to do the first time. There's 3 clips on each side. You just gotta, like use a flat head. And there it is. So as you can see, I did clean it up a little bit, but it was watermarks all over this. And what I did is just get some like light alcohol and just dap it and see if that would fix the problem. But it didn't, so that's when I just decided to order the switch. So, like I said, you guys you might want to try this first before actually ordering the switch. If you're lucky, you probably get away with it. Just dry it up. Maybe there's some water there, and you should be good. If you're not, then you would have to order a switch like I did. That's it, guys. So there's 3 connections. Just gotta unclip them. Alright, so it's all out. This one I believe is for the mirror, and these 2 are for the power windows. So now, just make sure everything matches up. It looks like it does. And now I just have to remove this part here, which is just the tabs right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's off. Putting in the new one now. This is the old one. This is the new one. Hopefully this works. So this will be the first time I'm putting it on. I have not done this prior, so I'm really hoping this will be the fix. Everything's attached, good. Now before I put it back on, I'm going to actually see if it works. And look at that, it works. Let's go to the other one. Up. Next one. And last but not least, the doors. So we're good to go, guys. So that was basically it. Just had to replace the whole switch itself. This part cost me about $38. It was from Amazon. This is the part number actually on here, if you guys want. This is the OEM part number right there. And the OEM is actually like $300. And as you can see, this part actually worked and fit right in. There was nothing else, no other modifications needed, and it worked. So this again was $38 from Amazon. I'll provide the link in the description, and we are good to go, guys. Yep, we are good to go. Thanks, guys.